Hey everyone, Jake here, and today I have a new pack-out add-on creation that I want to share. At first glance, you may think this is an unnecessary build since there is already a full-size pack-out dolly, but I have several reasons for making this one. Throughout the video, I'll talk a little bit about my inspiration, design criteria, and also how I made it. A while back, I made the compact storage dolly, which was focused on making the pack-out vacuum portable. After using it for some time now, I see how convenient rolling pack-outs on a dolly is. But that design was not perfect. So for this build, I focused on improving three things: the size, strength, and storage. When designing this, I thought about the size of the Milwaukie dolly, but made it slightly larger to attach the mounting plate instead of 3D printed cleats. Although this may be built out of wood, I have no worry about the strength. Each caster is rated for 125 pounds, and I've stood on it without any noticeable deflection. The majority of the dolly is made of half-inch plywood, with the exception of 1x4s being used to add strength at the bottom and 1/4-inch plywood being used for the bottom of the drawer. After I cut the side pieces, I set the fence to 24 inches and then attached them to that before cutting the back piece. This is more accurate than measuring because two pieces of half-inch plywood are not actually 1 inch. The rest of this build process is pretty similar to my other packs, but if you would be interested in detailed plans or have any other questions, make sure to leave a comment. When I was building this box, I was also considering the size of the pack-out drawers. The drawer units are big, but the actual inside dimensions of the drawers are still pretty small. So, for this pack, I made the drawer as big as possible. It's 21 inches wide, 15 inches deep, and 5.5 inches tall. And I can also store a 2-foot level on board, something no normal-sized pack-out can provide. I mentioned earlier that I'm using a pack-out mounting plate for this project instead of 3D printed cleats. I think it just has a cleaner look and is more secure. Thanks for checking out my pack, and if you're thinking about building your own, I'll have links in the description for anything you might need. And while you're down there, I'd appreciate it if you hit like, make sure you're subscribed, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.